2 days lag, then he can finish it. But he can finish 11, 12, 13, 14, no problem. But here we are talking about earliest. So earliest is obviously 11.
So if F was finish to finish, that 13 would be a 0?
If, right?
Yes. If it was, the relationship was finish to finish, would it be 0 instead of that 13?
Finish to finish means from here or here?
Yes.
Here. If it is like this, right? This is a question.
Mm-hmm.
If it is this, not this,
Yeah.
or even not this, then it can be 0. Yes, you are right. Here it will be 13, it will be 0 here. His question is if the relationship is not, like no relationship here, only this is the case, then what will the value here? So F can finish after C finish, that means 13. It is interruptible activity. So earliest time I can start is 0 obviously. If this is the case, this is not the case for this problem. Okay, so I will, where we are, it were like this, right?
Yeah.
And it was 13, 19. Yes, you have something to think here. In fact, that is the concept of continuous and interruptible. Otherwise, everything is simple. Okay, then what is our critical path? Critical path, oh, I know, saw that in your exam, even many of you, not many, some of you made mistake in critical path. How I am doing here? This is my finish date, 21. How it is coming? 19. How it is coming? 19. This path, right? So this is part of my path. How I am coming from 13. How it is coming? Both, right? So this and this both. Yeah, there might be many critical paths. So both, no problem. Come. Why it's coming from 5? 5 is coming from this 5. So this is my critical path. One path. What about this? There might be some here. So how it is coming? 13. Come from here. 3. Where this 3 or this 13 is coming? This way or this way? If you can remember, it was coming from this way. Because this can start after A started with 3 days lag. So this 3 is coming from here. This one is saying this can finish after A finished. So A finishes 5, it can finish 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is. Right? So this is not the path. Path is this one. So these values we got actually from here. So two critical path, the bold lines, not this one. Make it thin. So there might be more than one critical path, but at least there should be, must be one critical path. Minimum one, maximum depending on number, depending on the complexity. If I have 1,000 activities, there might be 20 critical paths. Who knows? Okay, if I go back 21, 19, so if I go back, so this way it is 19, it takes 6 days, so 13. If I go this way, 19, it takes 4 days, 50, right? Oh yes, this time I did not write 0. This time I wrote 50. Why? Because this is my late start. Late, not early start. So I will try to write the late. So if I have the option to start from 0 to 15, I have the option to start. So this should be early start, this should be late start. The definition in the bottom is late start. That means it can start 0, yes, that is the early start. It can start 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is not early, not late, somewhere in between. So the last date we can start is 50. That is the definition. Okay, 15. Then if we come here to here, our path is finish to finish. Again, when we come back, do not come back what we did in node diagram. Then for this kind of case, the coming back path is this path, finish to finish, 2 days lag. So it means it can finish after it finished with at least two days lag. So if I come back 19 minus 2, 17. I am not writing here 15 because it is not this path. It is not this path. This path means it will finish, it will start. But this is not my path. So my path is this. 19, 2 days lag at, so 17. It takes 7 days, 10. Yes, 10. 17 minus 7 is 10. Okay, then if I come here, it is finished to start. So, the simplest one for node diagram. So 13, finished to start. It takes 8 days. 13 minus 8, 5. Yes, 5. If I come this path, again it is the simple option, finish to start. So whatever is start, finish is same. So 13. It takes 10 days, 3. Oh, both are same. Okay, if I come back. Oh, if I come back, again there is something to think. It has 2 paths. Follow anyone, check for others. If I do this one, what does it say? It can start after it is started with 3 days lag. So it is 3 minus 3, 0. If it is 0, it should be 5. Now if I check for this one, this path, what it says? It says it can finish after this finished. It is finishing 5, it is finishing 13, no problem. So if there are multiple paths, follow any one, check for others. Similarly, if I come back, I already got this number, but I should check this number with this path and this path. Okay, if I follow this path, it is finished to start. Whatever is start, finish of this. So 5. Same thing, doesn't matter. That means whatever I wrote is correct. What about this path? It says start of this 2 days lag. That means it can start after it is started with at least 2 days lag. So 0, no problem. 0 plus 2. That means it can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So no problem with 0. So done. Now you can see if you make a mistake in somewhere when you are going or when you are coming, if you make one mistake, it will give you maybe 10 mistakes. This is why it is very critical. Then your brain should be cool. Okay, regarding total float, free float. Total float, free float, make some space somewhere. Okay, so new color. 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5, so both are 0. So total float for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it is 0. Why it is 0? 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5 minus 0 is 0. So whatever option you take, it is 0. So in node diagram, we learned 3 equations to find critical path. This minus this, or this minus this, or this minus this minus this. 3 path. Now in precedence diagram, I wrote a number here. Page number 104. Page number 104. The reason I wrote here, in this page, there is a statement that in node diagram we use 3 equations to follow. In precedence diagram, it is always done this way. This minus this minus this. Because sometimes you will see this minus this equals is not whatever is this minus this. whatever we saw in our previous example. So we'll continue and see more. Okay. So, what is my free float? Now, if total is 0, free must be 0. If there is no imposed deadline, what's it? Yes. So who is following A, B, C, D? Many options. What is the earlier? Sorry, start date? 2, 10, 5. Sorry, 5, 5, 3, 3. Now, if I see it this way, it is starting 2, minimum is 2, minus 2, 0. So actually I have no waiting time. Only here, no waiting time. If I have no waiting time, see here it should be the same thing. What is this? It is finished to start. Starting 5 and 5, 5 minus 5, no time. If I come here, it is starting 3, 3, minimum is 3, minus 3, 0. So actually, whatever path I go, I have no option to wait. So, 0. Or other way, if total float is 0, if there is no imposed deadline, it must be 0. Because this is, always this. Total is always equal to float or more than float. Opposite is not possible. So A is done, B is 10 minus 2 is 8, 17 minus 9, 8, correct. 17 minus 7 is 7, 10 minus 2, 8. So whatever we do is 8. But precedence diagram, the rule is diagonally. Because sometimes you will get this value not same. In that case, take the larger one. Okay, so B we got 8. What is my free float for B? So the condition is for finish to finish. When it is finishing, 11, right? 11. Minimum of this and this is 11. Minus 2, 9. And 9. I have no time to wait. If I delay or wait, this will be delayed. So 0. Okay, B now. What about C? So where is C? C. 5 minus 5, 0. 13 minus 13, 0. 13 minus 8, 5. Minus 5. Everything is 0. So 0. What about free? Finish to start. The earlier start is 13, 13, 13 minus 13. 0. Where about D? 3 minus 3 is 0. 13 minus 13, 0. 13 minus 10, 3 minus 3, 0. Whatever you do, D is 0. So free, obviously it will be 0. E, where is E? 15 minus 0, how much? 15 minus 0, 15. 19 minus 11. It was 7. 8. Then 19 minus 4 minus 0. 15. 19 minus 4 minus 0. 19 minus 4 minus 0. 15. Now we can see here. Here we are getting 15. Here we are getting 8. Which one is correct? Larger one. If I go this one, 15. So whenever there is a confusion, take the diagonal. That is the answer. So it should be 15. Now, is 8 wrong? No. This 8 is called like finish restricted float. So this is start restricted. Start restricted. So this side is start restricted, this side is finish restricted. So start restricted we found 15, finish restricted we found 8. So nothing is wrong. So I have 15 days in float in my start time. I can delay my start time. I do not need to start on 0. But that is my earliest start date. I have the option. or I can wait 15 days to start it. That is called like start. So we got here 15 minus 0 is 15. So we have 15 days float for starting, 8 days float for finishing. So answer we write the larger one. Or your book says page number 104, whatever the diagonal says. But diagonal says always the larger one. So answer here is 15. Last class also, we found similar case, right? One side says 4, other side says 0. If you can remember last example, or go home and check it, two different numbers. In that case, take the larger one. Okay, so clear it. Where is F? 13 minus 13, 0, 19 minus 19, 0, 19 minus 6 is 13 minus 13, 0. Everything is 0. Oh, I did not finish my E. What is my free float? This line, finish to start. What is my early start? 19, 19, 19 minus 11. So 19 minus 11, 8. Okay, now 8 is less than 15, that means good. Even yesterday in exam I saw that for someone, I forgot his name or whoever is, his free float is larger than total. Still you are making this mistake. Total is total, free is part of it. Okay, then if it is 0, it must be 0. What about Z? Okay, 0, 0, because it is the last activity and no imposed date, that means 0, 0. Now we solve this problem assuming it is interruptible. Assuming interruptible. The same question in the exam, same question if I say it is not interruptible, it is contiguous. Then what is the change? It will be 7 here, yes. Then it will, if it is contiguous, then it will be 7 here. No more 0. 7 here. In that case, any change here?
8, 15.
Yes, it will be 8 here. Because 15 minus 7, everything else remains the same if it is contiguous. If it is not contiguous, interruptible, 15 here, 0 here. Now this kind of project is not common. It's for very rare. When time is critical, many interrelated activities. In construction, it's not common. Construction, node diagram is good enough. But why you are doing here? Maybe to become a master in scheduling. So, any question in this example? If you understood this example, your exam too should be good. Similar, and I do not know what I will do here, contiguous or interruptible.
Are you going to add imposed deadline to something like this?
No, because it is already so complex. Already complex. No more imposed deadline. Okay, so we solved number 12. So next, what is our time? 1:25. No, we cannot start 16. So practice this problem at home. You can do one thing. When you practice, change some value, the duration. Then check whether you can do it. Or change a condition. So somewhere it is SS. Where is SS? SS is here to here. Same thing, also here. Maybe here is finish start, right? Assume something, SS, 2 day lag. Can you do it or no? Because your book does not have so many problems, very few problems. Just change some value or change a condition and check whether you can do it.